Hello, today I'm going to show you how to replace the coin cell in your remote key of your Seat Ibiza. We start with a screwdriver. These screwdrivers are possible to extract the front part of that key from the back part. And then we have on both sides, we can lift up the center part, which contains the electronic components, and the other side contains the coin cell. You see, the coin cell is there, and we can remove it by using the same screwdriver as before to lift it up and get it out of the main body system. If you now get this coin cell out, you can replace it with a new one. It is a CR2032 coin cell. Take care of the minus and the plus direction of the coin cell. So we are going to attach the new coin cell into position. If you are done with that, it is clamped into position and we can move back the cover of the main body. Push it into position and take care that the rubber sealing is, of course, not broken. If these parts get back each other, you can insert the front side of the key. Job's done. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe and give me a positive feedback to see again on my channel. Dun dun!